Are you working as a medical coder or are you planning to come into medical coding field? Don't worry. Here I am going to explain the things most important resources we will use while during live coding. In this session, I am going to explain what are the free and paid resources you can utilize in order to code your medical coding chat appropriately. My name is Harish Gupta, medical coder, process trainer for ambulatory surgery coding, and also I am the creator of FastCoder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel, which is the India's topmost medical coding YouTube channel. In my channel, I will provide latest updates about ICD-10 CPT and HeekPix, and also I will provide latest updates about APC's free CU webinars, as well as I will provide latest job opening spread across USA, UAE and India. If you want to know free and paid medical coding resources, please watch this video until the end in order to get in-depth knowledge about medical coding resources. If you are visiting for the first time, please click on subscribe button to motivate me and provide more valuable resources to you. So today our topic is don't code medical coding chat without watching this video. So here I am going to explain you free and paid resources you can use while coding medical coding chat, whatever is the specialty. So before going to know what are the free and paid resources available for the medical coders, we need to understand what is the importance of medical coding resources. So basically, using the medical coding resources, you will provide good accuracy and you will follow compliance and regulations, and you will ensure patient safety, and based on your utilization of medical coding resources, you will provide better insurance reimbursement and you will provide quality assurance as you are using the available medical coding resources, and using the medical coding resources you will provide efficiency and you will provide ethical responsibility, and you will most importantly you are going to reduce the risk, and if you use the coding resources you are going to provide and you are ready for audit preparedness. So as we discussed now, if you use the medical coding resources free or paid, so you will provide more accuracy. Yes, everything about the medical coding process we are going to get using the medical coding resources, which anyone can't get initially. In medical coding, your successfulness is depends on research. So if you research available medical coding resources, you are able to code properly. Please like, comment, share and completely watch this video, and also subscribe, which will motivate me to provide more valuable medical coding videos which you can use in your life. Next, as all of us know, if you want to enter into medical coding field or if you are working in the medical coding, must and should, if you are a medical coder, you need to know ICD-10 So as I have discussed previously, in ICD-10 also we are having free resources as well as the paid resources. If you take ICD-10 free resources, you can use ICD-10 data for free medical coding ICD-10 diagnosis, and also CMS is having the website for ICD-10 codes. If you are a fresher, you can use icd10data.com and also CMS website in order to find ICD-10 free resources. So if you don't know how to find those resources, please send your request to vincentmedicalcoder@gmail.com. Otherwise, just you can mention in the comment section that I need these resources. I will mention the resources there in the comment section. So in ICD-10 we have paid resources also, like coding clinics. So if you are not working as a medical coder, it is more expensive to get coding clinics. But if you are working as a medical coder, your company will provide the ICD-10 coding clinic, where you are going to get latest updates about ICD-10 guidelines as well as the coding scenarios where you can use in your live coding. And also ICD-10 coding clinic contains topics related to ICD-10 PCS also, Usually ICD-10 PCS is used by the inpatient medical coders. And CPT and HCPCS are not free. In order to code using CPT and HCPCS, you need to purchase your coding books. So after entering the job, we have two types of resources for CPT and HCPCS. Those are paid resources. You can't afford to purchase those. So your company will provide those resources where like ICD-10 CM, there also CPT and HCPCS contains latest updates about CPT coding as well as the HCPCS coding, and also they will provide scenarios related to CPT codes where you can encounter during your live CPT coding. Usually in CPT we have two types of resources. Those all are not free resources, these are paid resources. So first one is CPT assistant, next one is HCPCS coding clinic. So CPT assistant contains all the information related to CPT codes, and also it will have resources and Q&A related to common CPT coding questions. And we too have HCPCS coding clinic, where most of the time we are going to have information related to HCPCS code, but HCPCS coding clinic is having information related to CPT also. So if you are working as a medical coder, you can use ICD-10cmdata.com as well as CMS free resources for medical coding, as these all resources contains ICD-10 CM as well as ICD-10 PCS. If you are working as an outpatient coder, you need to have resources of CPT assistant and HCPCS coding clinic, which will be provided by your company. If you want to grow in CPT and HCPCS coding, you must and should you need to have these CPT assistant and HCPCS coding clinic. For example, if you want to purchase CPT software, you can use AAPC's Codify software, where you will get all the information related to your CPT codes. So which is affordable if you are planning to successful in medical coding, and if you want to enter into outpatient coding, so just we can take the subscription of AAPC's Codify, and also we are having the add-on for CPT assistant as well as the HCPCS coding clinics. So if you don't have the job, you can purchase AAPC's Codify. If you are having the job, you no need to worry, your company will provide all these resources. If you take the resources, first of all we need to think about AMA, American Medical Association. As all of us know, American Medical Association is responsible for providing CPT codes, which we will use for outpatient coding. For compliance and regulations, you can use OCR website or AHRQ website. Otherwise, you can use SAMHSA website, and you can use OAG website. Usually, we will call it as Office of Inspector General, and we are having CDC website also. Next, you can use FDA website, and also you can use HRSA website, and you can use NHCS website. And if you check CMS website, you will get NCCI Edit software and information related to NCCI Edits, which we will usually use for CPT coding. NCCI means National Correct Coding Initiatives, and secondly you will get MCD also. So MCD means Medicare Coverage Database, where you can check the medical necessity for your coded ICD-10 CM code with your coded CPT code. So if you want to check medical necessity for CPT code, you can use MCD website. And you have MLN website. MLN means Medicare Learning Network. So using MLN resources, so these all are free resources. So using MLN resources, you can get information related to all CPT coding topics, like modifiers, like colonoscopy, like debridements, like adjacent tissue transfers, like breast procedures. And next we have Medicare and we have Max. And we are having SET and RADV. So if you are working as a SCC coder, you need to depend on RADV, risk adjustment data validation. Using the CMS website, freely you can get information related to RADV. And also you are going to get CHIP and IOMs. So IOM means basically internet only manuals, where you will get more information related to medical coding code sets in CMS website. And as discussed previously, we are having AHA Coding Clinic, so which is published by American Health Association, where this will be useful for ECPIX Coding Clinic, where AHA is providing all the latest information related to ECPIX. And also using AAPC's website, AHIMA's website, JAMA's website, you are going to get few free resources. Whatever you are having the doubt, please enter in the Google, and beside you can keep AAPC and AHIMA, where you are going to get the free resources related to AAPC and AHIMA. And AHA Coding Clinic is not free, so it is paid resource. You need to pay subscription for AHS Coding Clinics. Next, we need to understand how to save medical coding resources. So basically, we have 8 approaches in order to code or in order to save our medical coding resources. First, whenever you are having the resource, just try to store in the internal storage like pen drives. And also you can use external hard disk in order to save your medical coding resources, as you are working in the medical coding field. So these resources are available and valuable for your total life if you want to work in the medical coding field. And third option is for cloud. So for example, if you are having more resources, you can opt for cloud. And also you can have digital notebooks, where wherever you go, you can use these digital notebooks and you can use them appropriately. And also you can save your mobile medical coding resources in mobile also. And also you can keep bookmarks in your website, and also you can make it as applications like documents, PPT and PDF. And you can use Word document also, you can save as a Word document also. And you can use and you can save in the magazines also. If you check the APC's free magazine, you will get latest information about medical coding and ICD-10 CM, PPT and HCPIX. Thank you coders. I think this video is very much useful for you. If you want to know more resources, just mention in the comment section. So I will try to provide whatever the information need in order to be successful in medical coding. So if you need any help, mail me to vincentmedicalcoder@gmail.com.